All right, Instagrammers, Facebookers, YouTubers. This bike, this 1960 Duo Glide right here, she hasn't run in probably, oh, that's better. Probably 6 weeks. No, not that long. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. She is cold as cold can be. It's, oh, I don't know, 75-ish. Maybe not even that. It's probably not even that warm out here. 75 degrees out here. So we're gonna do a cold start. With any luck, she'll start on the first or second kick. We shall see. I'm gonna turn the gas on, choke it, open the throttle most of the way, ignition off. I'm gonna retard the timing a little bit and give her probably 3 or 4 primer kicks. One more, just for good measure. Okay, ignition on, choke off, 1 click down, crack the throttle a little bit. Let's see what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, how you cold start 1960 Panhead. Burn like a kid. It's been 3 weeks, easy, since your last run. Pretty.